Whether you like him or not, Donald Trump has been in the news once again. And anytime there's possible change in Washington, people start asking me the same things. What does this mean for my credit, my money, my approval odds? So today I'm breaking down what a Trump presidency or Trump backed policies could realistically mean for credit scores, loans, interest rates, and your financial security in 2025. There's no politics, just facts and money. Now, as you guys might know, Trump hasn't released a credit score plan, but he has talked about topics that directly affect your credit. So that looks like interest rates, inflation, bank regulations, small business funding, IRS rules, and tax changes as well. And all of these indirectly hit your credit score, whether you realize it or not. If interested, If interest rates drop under any administration, Trump, Biden, or anyone, you benefit because credit cards approvals become easier, auto loans become cheaper, mortgage approvals open up, credit scores requirements become more flexible, and high interest equals high minus, which crushes credit utilization, which means that lowers interest equals easier to keep your balances down and your scores higher, if that all makes sense. Now, under both Republican and Democratic pressure, credit bureaus have been forced to change a medical collection removed under $500. By now, pay later accounts starting to be reported. And rent reporting expanding, more push for consumers friendly scoring models. Trump could push for these, which might mean fewer restrictions on lenders, faster access to credit, higher credit limits, but also higher risk if banks loosen rules too much. Again, which can naturally happen as well. Now, Trump is known for being business focused. If he pushes small businesses, here's how this will affect you: more business funding, more credit union programs, potential grants, easier business credit approvals, and higher business credit limits. Now, if you ever wanted an LLC, an EIN, or business credit, that favor might fall into your lap. Now, this is where most people get confused. This is where the tax changes, which means credit changes, and here's how: bigger refunds, meaning lower credit card balances, lower taxes equals more cash flow, and that goes into lower utilization. New IRS rules affected collections in public records. Money and credit are always connected, either way it goes. Now, I'm also going to share with you guys how you can protect your credit regardless of who's president. This is the part that you can control. So, you want to make sure that you keep your credit utilization under 10%, build positive payment history, and rent utility reporting if needed to help boost your credit score. Remember, negative items can be removed. Get credit building accounts. Apply for high limit but soft pull credit cards first. Build business credit to increase your total available credit. Now, if you guys need help fixing, cleaning, or rebuilding your credit, you already know I got you covered. My DIY credit repair bundle and credit repair services are always available in description, or you are more than welcome to send me a message through my email or on social medias as well. That will be listed in the description as well. Now, as we all might know, politics change, presidents change, but your credit, that stays with you forever. So stay smart, stay prepared, and stay focused on your financial future. Drop credit down below in the comments if you want more videos like this. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video.